Hey everybody, Brandon, Promo Day exclusively at Promo Corner. Now with a lot of new systems inside cars letting you know exactly what your air pressure is, what about like the trailer and all the fun things you're pulling in the back? How do you know if those tires are pumped up? And today's product is the digital tire gauge from KTI Promo. Now check this thing out. This thing is perfect for tire shops or repair shops or boat retailers or anybody that sells anything that needs to have a trailer or wheels pumped up on it for that matter. Like I was saying in the beginning, most cars have a TPS sensor, which is a tire pressure system, right? And so your car lets you know, we all have seen it, when it gets cold outside, all your tires are like, it's too low to drive. Well, so maybe it's not for those tires. However, there are still a ton of cars out there that don't have that system and a ton of trailers and other things that have tires that require air pressure that need to be checked all the time. So this bad boy is gonna come in handy to be able to digitally check that pressure and have a super accurate gauge. And then my favorite feature is actually when is like the most times things go wrong, right? It's never in the middle of the day where there's a bunch of people around you to be able to help you out, right? It's typically at nighttime and you're out in the middle of nowhere and you can't see anything. Well, this bad boy's actually got two lights built into it. You got a switch up top here. You got a nice light here up on the front. And then you just click the little button to go to the torch and you got the nice big light there on the back as well. So this thing is gonna help you be able to see at night, check those tire pressures, make sure that you're gonna be okay and continue on with your trip. So thanks for watching our quick little video on the digital tire gauge from KTI Promo. And make sure you go to promojournal.com so you can check out more content and products that you and your customer can use every day.